2006 Underwriters Laboratories UL White Book introduced a significant usability enhancement with its index of UL product categories correlating to the 2005 National Electrical Code, or NEC. This index streamlines the process of finding relevant UL listing requirements for specific NEC sections, making the document more accessible and efficient for electrical professionals. The index allows users to directly correlate NEC requirements with the corresponding UL listing requirements. This saves time and effort that would otherwise be spent on manual searches. It also covers a wide range of UL categories, making it applicable to a variety of products and installations. Firstly, to use the index, refer to the index of UL product categories correlating to the 2005 NEC section within the White Book. Secondly, locate the specific NEC section number you are interested in. For example, you might be looking for information related to section 334.40, paragraph B. Thirdly, once you have found the NEC section number in the index, note the corresponding page number and category letter provided. This information tells you exactly where to find the relevant UL listing requirements within the book. As an example, let's say the index indicates that NEC section 334.40 corresponds to page 123, category A. Go to page 123 of the UL White Book and look for category A. The UL listing requirements related to NEC section 334.40 will be found under this category on that page. The primary benefit of this index is its ability to provide quick and easy information lookup. Instead of manually searching through the entire White Book, users can quickly pinpoint the relevant UL listing requirements for a specific NEC section, saving valuable time and effort. The index ensures comprehensive coverage of UL categories, making it applicable to a wide range of products and installations encountered in the electrical industry. It simplifies the use of the UL White Book, making it more accessible and user-friendly for professionals with varying levels of experience. This improved usability feature enhances the overall user experience by reducing the time and effort required to find necessary information. By providing a direct correlation between NEC requirements and UL listing requirements, the index helps ensure compliance with both sets of standards. The 2006 UL White Book, including this enhanced index, is often available for free online on the UL website. Users can search for UL White Book and follow the instructions to access and download a portable document format, or PDF, version. The UL White Book serves as a valuable resource for electrical professionals, providing essential information on product safety standards and certification requirements. Understanding how to effectively utilize the index of UL product categories can significantly improve the efficiency and accuracy of your work. It is important to note that while the 2006 UL White Book correlates to the 2005 NEC, newer editions of the UL White Book will correlate to more recent editions of the NEC. Always ensure you are using the appropriate version of the UL White Book for the relevant edition of the NEC that you are working with. The UL White Book is not a substitute for the NEC or other applicable codes and standards. It is a supplementary resource that provides additional information on UL listing and certification requirements. Always consult the NEC and other relevant codes and standards for complete and accurate information on electrical safety requirements. UL develops standards and tests products for safety. UL mission is to promote safe living and working environments by applying safety science expertise. The UL White Book is a compilation of UL product safety standards. It is used by manufacturers, engineers, and regulatory authorities to ensure that products meet safety requirements. The NEC is a widely adopted code for the safe installation of electrical wiring and equipment in the United States. It is updated every 3 years to reflect changes in technology and safety practices. The NEC contains requirements for a wide range of electrical installations, including residential, commercial, and industrial applications. Compliance with the NEC is often required by law or regulation. UL listing is a process by which UL evaluates products to determine whether they meet UL safety standards. Products that meet UL standards are marked with the UL listing mark, which indicates that they have been tested and found to be safe for their intended use. UL listing is often required by regulatory authorities or specified by customers. The UL White Book provides information on UL listing requirements for a wide range of products. Understanding these requirements is essential for manufacturers who want to obtain UL listing for their product. The index of UL product categories correlating to the NEC is a valuable tool for electrical professionals who need to quickly find information on UL listing requirements. By using this index, users can save time and effort and ensure that they are complying with both NEC and UL standards. The UL White Book is a valuable resource for anyone involved in the electrical industry. By understanding how to use the book and its various features, you can ensure that you are working safely and in compliance with all applicable standards. Firstly, always prioritize safety when working with electricity. Secondly, consult the NEC and other applicable codes and standards for complete and accurate information. Thirdly, use the UL White Book as a supplementary resource to understand UL listing requirements. Fourthly, take advantage of the index of UL product categories to quickly find the information you need. Fifthly, stay up to date on the latest changes to the NEC and UL standards. Understanding the relationship between the NEC and UL standards is crucial for electrical professionals. The NEC sets the requirements for safe electrical installations, while UL develops standards and tests products to ensure they meet those requirements. The UL White Book provides a bridge between these two sets of standards, helping users understand how to comply with both. In addition to the index of UL product categories, the UL White Book also contains a wealth of other information on UL listing requirements, including product-specific standards, testing procedures, and marking requirements. Take the time to familiarize yourself with the various sections of the UL White Book so you can quickly find the information you need. The UL website also offers a variety of resources for electrical professionals, including training courses, technical articles, and product information. Take advantage of these resources to stay up to date on the latest developments in the electrical industry. The UL White Book is a valuable resource for anyone who wants to learn more about product safety standards and certification requirements. Whether you are a manufacturer, engineer, or regulatory authority, the UL White Book can help you ensure that products meet the highest standards of safety. The information contained in the UL White Book is constantly evolving to reflect changes in technology and safety practices. It is important to stay up to date on the latest revisions to the UL White Book so you are always working with the most current information. The UL website provides access to the latest editions of the UL White Book, as well as other important resources. Make sure you are using the most current version of the UL White Book to ensure that you are complying with the latest safety standards. The UL White Book is an essential tool for electrical professionals who want to ensure the safety and reliability of electrical products and installations. By understanding how to use the UL White Book and its various features, you can contribute to a safer and more efficient electrical industry. The index of UL product categories correlating to the 2005 NEC found within the 2006 UL White Book represents a significant advancement in usability for electrical professionals. Its ability to efficiently link NEC requirements with corresponding UL listing criteria saves time, enhances comprehension, and promotes safer electrical practices. Remember to always prioritize safety, consult relevant codes and standards, and utilize resources like the UL White Book to maintain a high level of expertise in the electrical field. The UL White Book offers specific sections dedicated to different product categories. For example, there are sections addressing wiring and cabling, another for lighting fixtures, and yet another covering control panels. Each section provides detailed information on the applicable UL standards, testing procedures, and listing requirements specific to that product type. Furthermore, within each product category section, you will find information on the specific tests that products must undergo to achieve UL listing. These tests are designed to evaluate various aspects of product safety, such as electrical insulation, mechanical strength, resistance to fire, and protection against electric shock. The UL Whitebook provides detailed descriptions of these tests, including the equipment used, the procedures followed, and the acceptance criteria that must be met. The marking requirements section outlines how UL-listed products must be marked to indicate their compliance with UL standards. These markings typically include the UL listing mark, the product's model number, and other relevant information. The UL Whitebook specifies the size, location, and content of these markings to ensure that they are easily visible and understandable. In addition to the index of UL product categories, the UL Whitebook also includes a glossary of terms and definitions. This glossary provides clear and concise explanations of the technical terms used throughout the book, helping users to better understand the information presented. The UL Whitebook is not a static document. It is regularly updated to reflect changes in technology, safety standards, and regulatory requirements. UL publishes new editions of the Whitebook periodically, and it is important to stay up to date on the latest revisions to ensure that you are working with the most current information. The UL website offers a subscription service that allows you to receive automatic updates whenever a new edition of the UL Whitebook is released. This can be a valuable tool for staying informed about the latest changes in the world of product safety. The UL Whitebook is a comprehensive resource that covers a wide range of topics related to product safety and certification. It is an essential tool for anyone who is involved in the design, manufacture, or installation of electrical products. By understanding how to use the UL Whitebook, you can ensure that your products meet the highest standards of safety and performance. The UL Whitebook can be downloaded as a PDF or accessed via UL online interface. This makes it easy to search the document and carry it for use in the field. Electrical inspectors, electrical engineers, electrical contractors, and manufacturers utilize this book often. Remember to stay safe, work within your skill set, and energize circuits prior to working on them. Consult a qualified electrical professional if you have questions.